You want to learn how to upload banner image on BlueSky Social. In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. First, head over to your BlueSky app or website, and on here on the left hand side, log into your account, go to Profile, and in Profile, click on Edit Profile. From here, you can change your profile picture, banner image, display name, and description. I'm going to change the banner image. Select any image, and then your cursor will become a plus icon. You can crop it by just selecting a part of the image, and then you can move this box around on the image to fine tune your cropping. Once done, click on Done, and it's going to set as your banner image. And that's it. Now click on Save Changes, and it's going to save the banner image to your profile. And that's it. This is how to change and crop banner image on your BlueSky Social account. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.